What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you my top 4 Solana coins that are doing well right now. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will have 4 different websites that we will be including in the description. That way, when you do your own research, you could just go ahead and click on that. It will take you directly to their site. Alright, so first and foremost, guys, we have the landing page of Marinade. It is a stake automation platform that actually keeps an eye on every Solana validator and assigns to more than 100 of the top performers. Now, using the automated strategy that Marinade's core team has actually created to maximize your Sol staking rewards. Now, Marinade users can opt to liquid stake Sol for MSOL, and MSOL is the liquid staking token, or to stake natively. Now, with the same group of high-performance validators, either 4 option stakes on your Sol. Now, through the use of a smart contract, guys, liquid staking provides the staker with MSOL, or the marinated Sol, okay? So all across Solana DeFi, and then these tokens can be used as collateral. Now, the price of MSOL increases in relation to Sols every epoch when the liquid staking Sol for MSOL occurs. So this is actually like, if you are going to think of this, it's like, a relation between the mother token and then like the staking token, which is the MSOL. Now, you could go ahead and check on this one, guys. Now, you can learn more about this one, guys, by going to learn right here. Okay, so highlight learn, and then you could click on docs and it will take you directly to this one. So this is like their white paper. It has all sorts of information that you guys could go ahead and check on. That way, you will know what you're getting yourself into when you are, about to invest your priced money. So this is Marinade. The next one on our list is Jito Labs, guys. And Jito Solana, guys, is freely available. So the client has no contracts or other obligations. So they can actually operate without restrictions. So it's basically fully decentralized, guys. Now, users needing priority execution during network congestion. Now, DeFi operators needing sequential transaction execution, and the searchers that are looking to profit from the MEV, and users with demanding use cases are surpassing the standard transaction limits and are all perfect candidates for Jito's system. Now, you could go ahead and check out their blogs as well. So if you click on this one, it will take you directly to this, where you could get as much information and articles talking about Jito Labs. And this is like, if you click on this, it will take you to their white paper, where you could get as much information as you can with the project. So if you feel like this is like a potential or a high potential project that you would like to, invest on, again, do your own research. They have their introduction here. They have a lot of different information that talks about this as well, but this is one of, the gems in Solana that you could go ahead and check out right now. All right, so this is Jito Labs, guys. The next one on our list is Orca. Now, guys, in Solana, the fastest, smoothest, and most dependable killer whale incarceration is what they call Orca. Now, the Apex liquidity layer on Solana offers traders an innovative user interface, and Orca keeps providing a trading environment that is permissionless, capital efficient, and simple to integrate. And the experience in this one is different from other trading platforms. So you can go ahead and check on their website, guys. They have a lot of different information that you could gather. All right, and if you are in the mood for some conversation, you could head on to their Discord community. That way you could interact with other people in there, like the community within Orca, and like the support team that could help you out when you have any questions about this project, okay? Purchasing cryptocurrency shouldn't be difficult. And the original motivation behind Orca's creation was that fundamental idea. So they wanted to make sure that, there's like no beating around the bush. If you need to make your trades, if you need to purchase or something, then, it's very, very straightforward, and you could finish that the soonest amount of time. So this philosophy is actually giving rise to completely new methods for buying and selling cryptocurrency on Orca platform. All right, so you can go ahead and check them out as well. And this is like their white paper, guys. You could get as much information about the project as possible. On the left side, you have like the outlines. And then on the right side, you will get the context of all those things, okay? Now, this is how it looks like. Very, very straightforward. So if you are familiar with other trading platforms like swapping platforms, then basically it's it, all right? Except that it is in Solana and it's fast and efficient. So you could go ahead and check this one out. And then finally, guys, this is not a stranger if you have been with cryptocurrency for quite some time. So Radium is built on the Solana blockchain, and Radium is an automated market maker, otherwise known as AMM. So if you haven't heard about that, that's what they call automated market maker. And that uses a central limit order book to facilitate the blazing fast trades that it's doing. You have shared liquidity and new yield earning features. All right, so this is actually one of the very famous projects in Solana to date. And you could go ahead and click on this one. So it will take you here. Okay, so very, very straightforward. Again, if you have been doing your trades with Solana for quite some time now, then I would think that you are already familiar with Radium. So you also have their right up here, their white paper. Now, guys, the other AMM DeFi protocols lack access to their central order book and can only access liquidity within their own pools. Now, furthermore, guys, a lot of platforms operate on different blockchains like Ethereum. You have slower transactions and more expensive gas fees. And that's what I hate about Ethereum, guys. Don't get me wrong, all right? Ethereum is an excellent network, but the transaction piece is insane. So, I veer away from doing trades in Ethereum. Even when I was still playing the play to earn games that I was playing before, there's a lot of really good dApps, really good projects in Ethereum, but it's just that they have to do something about their transaction fee. So now within the liquidity pools in Radium, guys, 2 tokens can be swiftly swapped with the Radium's swap feature. And the DEX UI also supports more sophisticated trading functions like the limit order that we are used to using with the centralized exchanges. So users have a better trading experience thanks to those features that has been integrated by Radium. So this is, again, guys, one of the most famous swapping platform in Solana. Go ahead and check this one out. And guys, stay until the end screen video. Those videos will be very beneficial in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out.